questions for you. Cooking in the kitchen and I'm in a bedroom.
You'd never catch me like this, ever.
No lie, got lost in her eyes. Found something I like, yeah. Weren't even my type.
Oh hey! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Manuela. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So today's video is going to be a how to style your box braids. If you have been subscribed to my channel for a while, you can probably see that there's something different about me. It's my hair. My hair is different. It's a light auburn color. I normally do dark brown or black. It normally takes around 6 to 8 hours to do box braids. I did my hair myself. I know, I'm so proud. It took me 14 hours. 14
hours later.
1, because I'm a beginner, and 2, because I braid very small. I think I'm getting the hang of it, so I'm really happy. And this is what it looks like. Obviously, it's very flat at the top, but over time, my natural hair will start growing, and then it will become more... There'll be more volume at the top of my head, basically. So obviously, this is number 1. You can just have your hair down. And then to switch up, we can do this. This is the half up, half down. This is what I love to do. So I have my hair down, put the rest to the back, and then I grab 2 strands on each side. Normally I would just grab 1 like this on each side. However, because these braids are very thin, or thin for me anyway, I just grab 2 on each side, like so. With the remainder of my hair, I'm gonna half it. Just grabbing a good section. I just normally work from the tip of my ears upwards, and then I like to grab 2 hair bands. I just tie that up like so. So this is my go-to. This is my everyday go-to. I'm not gonna do my edges, I can't be asked. But normally I just gel my edges back. And then from the half up, half down, I grab this ponytail here. And what I'm gonna do, you can either plait it if you want to. I find twisting it much quicker. So this is what I do, I twist it around and then get my finger, put it around my finger, just to create a little bun, like this. And obviously you can adjust it to get the shape that you want. Oh, this is cute. And then I get the remainder of my hair, bring it forward. I don't actually do this. I've never actually done this style, but this is so cute. So this is the half up, half down bun. I love how it's basically just the half up, half down, but because of the bun, it gives it that extra touch. The swoop is basically the same as the half up, half down, and then this side here, I'm basically gonna just swoop around here. You can either leave it behind your ear, like so, or you can grab a few bobby pins to hold it in place. This is actually one of my favorites. I think it looks really nice. It keeps your hair out of your face. I like this one, I think it's cute. Grab the 2 bits on each side. I'd never actually switch up my hairstyles like this, but I think I should, because there's so much to do. I just always think when I'm getting ready, let me just stick to what's quickest. This is the hairstyle. I feel like I look like I'm in nursery or something. So this is like the half up, half down pigtails. I like doing this because this is remaining, the hair here. It gives it the extra length. It's really cute. It gives me like 90s TLC vibes. I love this. And then literally the same hairstyle, but I'm gonna grab all the hair this time around. Try and make them equal. This is this one. Oh my god. Quick and easy. I can't. This is so cute. You'd never catch me like this, ever. From this hairstyle, you can probably guess what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna basically create 2 space buns, and literally it's gonna be the same method as before with the half up, half down. Plait them like this. If you're like, how are you doing that so quickly? There are loads and loads of videos on YouTube where you can learn how to braid your hair. The more you practice, the quicker you'll get the hang of it. What I'm gonna do is basically roll this one up to create a space bun like that. And there you go, there's your 2 little space buns. Obviously, like I said, they're not going to be the most even circles, but I find that when I do braid them and loop it round, I get a closer shape to a circle, if that makes sense. half up, half down space bun. High ponytail, let me just call it a high pony. It gets all of my hair out of my face. So basically, if I'm going about my day, running loads of errands, I like to just throw my hair back in a ponytail so that it's out of the way. If we're talking about accessories, we can throw on a few scrunchies. I got all these scrunchies from Primark. These are really cute. They came in a 4-pack. Little accessory makes a big difference. I like to wear a bun during the summer just because there's nothing annoying me. With the ponytail, sometimes I'm walking, the braids get stuck in my lip gloss, so I'm just like, you know what? We can just put it all up and it's out of the way, not annoying. Very elegant and sophisticated. I like this. Okay, so another one of my favorite hairstyles to do is the low ponytail. I love a low ponytail. So there's 2 ways you can do it. You can either have it low like that, I like that, slicked back. However, what I prefer to do is like one in the middle. That's the ponytail that I like to do on a regular schmegular. Out of all the styles that we've tried today, this is definitely my favorite. This is like my everyday go-to look. Styling braids is very versatile. Every look is different, but it takes minimal effort. So it's effortless, it's simple, and it's cute. And then with these little accessories, you can switch up as well and do whatever best suits you. You can purchase headbands. There's also these little beads. You basically literally just press it around your hair. You can switch up, you can do gold. I say go for like 2 or 3 or 4 on one braid. The little beads make a big difference. I think they're really pretty when all of your hair is down and you've got the beads everywhere. Oh my god, amazing. I love that look. Whenever I'm running out of hairstyles, what I normally do is just Google it, or I will go on Pinterest. Pinterest is really amazing for hair inspiration, for anything in general, but I love looking at different hairstyles on Pinterest. I just type in box braids hairstyles and then a lot of different hairstyles come up. I think they're so cool. And yeah, that's literally it. This was a quick little video. I hope you guys enjoyed. The aim of this video is basically helping anyone out there who's stuck on different hairstyles. There's so much you can do with your hair. You can research new ideas so things don't get boring. You can switch up, and I feel like I needed this actually because I literally always do this hairstyle and I just realized there are so many hairstyles I can do. So this whole time I've been playing myself. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications. That is very important. That means that every time I post a new video, you will be notified. You'll be the first to know. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I'm tired. I feel like you're too zoomed in. Or like I'm too short. So today's video, I'm gonna be on top. People don't understand. Everyone always, listen, let me just get this off. Everyone always says to me, which I love and appreciate, everyone says to me, oh my gosh, you look so beautiful with your natural hair. You should wear your hair out natural all the time. But I'm like, the maintenance. Are you gonna wake up at 5 AM to brush my hair? No. Are you gonna wake up at 5 AM to detangle my hair? No. Are you gonna wake up at 5 AM to... No. One earring is in. This whole time I've been talking with one earring in. Great, let's try again. I'm gonna put some music on because a bit, you know, atmosphere is not popping. Oh my god, I look so different with this hair colour. I didn't realise. Who this? And then just keep hold of it. Bye.